This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Today in this video we'll discuss how to find out the errors in the following program segment, if any. So first of all, we write down the segment of a program which contains some error, and we need to identify and remove the error. So we will write dim and dollar subscript 10, and number 20 we will type 4k equal to 4 to 15. Line number 30 we will type input and dollar. Line number 40 we will type next I. So the answer is, now I'm gonna write down the errors contained in this program. So we will write the above program has 3 errors, which are as following. Number 1, line number 20 is incorrect. The ending point of the counter loop is incorrect. It should be 4k equal to 4 to 13 instead of 4k equal to 4 to 15. Line number 30 is incorrect. It should be input and dollar $k instead of and dollar. Line number 40 is incorrect. It should be next k instead of next I. Next program we will discuss the same errors it may contain. Number B, program is for G equal to K to 15, KJ equal to J, print KJ, or you can call print K subscript J next J. The answer is line number 20 is incorrect. The program segment when run gives message of subscript out of range. So these are two errors. Like here we have discussed k to 15, kj is equal to j. So we must give the value of the k over here, because we didn't initialize the value of k over here, and then just the line 20 is incorrect because kj is equal to j. The value of j is assigned over here because it gives the subscript out of range error when you run this program. So let's switch to the IDE. We'll discuss this program and write as it is to see whether it gives us error or not and what kind of error it generates. So let's switch to the IDE. So here we will write down the program, same program, to see the errors and dollar subscript. Line number 20 for code k equal to 4 to 15, line number 30 input and dollar, line number 40 next I. Now we're gonna execute this program. We press the F2 key, so next without 4 in 40. So there was an error that there should be next k over here, and this program contains error on line 40, 20 and 30, but the interpreter of GW basic programming languages gives us the error at line number 40, so we can consider this one. And now we're gonna type the other program. On line 10 it was for j equal to k to 15, line number 20 k subscript j equal to k, line number 30 print k subscript j, line number 40 next j. Now we run this program and you can see subscript out of range in 20 can be seen. So the subscript is out of range in line number 20. Here you can see that. So these are two errors we have just discussed. Now we're gonna copy it in the text area for better understanding. So viewers, we have just discussed this program and executed the program in the IDE of GW Basic, and we have just noticed that it contains error and the program was not successfully executed. Program A and B, since you can see that's next without 4 in 40, because here next is I, but here 4 is used with the variable k, so whether I should be replaced with k over here or there should be k over here. So this is an error in this program, and line number 20 contains incrementing the point of the counter loop is incorrect. It should be 4k equal to 4 to 13, like we have discussed over. We have mentioned 10 a subscript over here. The value of subscript, like 10 elements can be there, but here if we count the number of from the initial value to the final value, you can see that there are 18 total. 18 number are there, but if we use 4 to 13, then this can be successfully executed. So there should be 12 if we start counting from 4 till 15, then it becomes 12 numbers, but here we have mentioned 10, so it should be 13 instead of 15. So that was an error which was discussed above. Likewise, in line number 30, you can see that it should be input $N$K instead of $N$. So there's the subscript is missing over here, so we can write that this subscript and line 40 is incorrect, should be an K instead of extra I, because we have used variable k with the 4, so there must be next k. Likewise, in program B, we can see that the line number 20 is incorrect. The program sent when run give the message subscript out of range, so we have executed the program and it gives us an error. The program was not successfully executed due to the error on line number 20. Here kj is equal to k, so the subscript is out of range. The subscript should be like k to 15. Value of the k must be initialized over here because we have never used the value of it, so we need to mention the value of kj, the value of k over here, so it gives us subscript out of range in line number 20. So that's all. Thanks for watching my video. In this video we discussed two different programs and find out the errors contained in the program, so that we can develop our understanding about the programming skills of GW Basic, and how that we can tackle and find and remove the errors out of it in order to successfully execute the program. That's all. Thanks for watching my video.